two ways to soft reset the Google TV streamer 4K. Now the first method is to use the remote. So with the remote, you want to press and hold the home button into the menu appear and then navigate to settings. So here we go to, I'll just go back. So we go into settings. So press and hold on the home button and then tap on settings. So at the top here, you want to select settings. And in settings, we go down. So we go down to system and then we press on the white button here. And then we go down. Okay, so we go down and click on the restart button. Over here, you want to click on restart. So press on it, press on restart, and then press on the up button, and then press on restart. Okay, so we're now restarting your Google TV streamer 4K. So that is the first method. And the other method is to simply disconnect the power cable. So here, at the back here, you want to pull out the power cable. So disconnect the power cable from the Google TV device. Then wait for at least 10 seconds. And then you plug the cable back in and let the device restart. And that's it. So that is how you can soft reset your Google TV streamer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.